Being that it's Halloween or spooky season, tonight I thought I would head to some woodland which is apparently extremely haunted. I was hoping to get there before it got dark so that we could scope it out and just take a look at the area before we lose daylight, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. So apparently this little road here is the closest that we can get to the woods. To the left there, I think that's like a cemetery.
Nesse vídeo veremos o explorador do canal Ads, que explora a floresta mais mal assombrada da Inglaterra, a Woodland. Porém, o que parecia uma exploração comum em uma noite assustadora, viraria um pesadelo para o YouTuber.
I've got a bit of a problem. I cannot see a thing with this light shining in my eyes. So this is coming into the woods now, and on the left is the little church house, and behind that is the cemetery. How old are some of these then? 1908. Oh, wait a sec. There's 3 people in this grave. Look at the size of that. Well, obviously I don't want to be disrespectful and tread on any of the graves. It's quite hard to see where I'm treading around there. Right, so I'm just the other side of the cemetery now. I'm going to go deeper into the woods because I don't think if I was a ghost and I come out of the cemetery, why would you knock about just on the outskirts? Do you know what I mean? You sleep there all day, you're going to want to go into the woods. What the hell was that?
Ele sai para explorar e enquanto caminha pelo cemitério, ouve passos e galhos se quebrando. Como se não bastasse isso, um grito estranho vindo da floresta, como se algo ou alguém estivesse brincando com ele.
I'm back in the woods. I've taken a different path this time. And to be honest with you, I'm just sort of winging it. I don't know where. What the hell was that? What's that? I've come up to that bit where the light was just shining. What? He's moved. I'm going to have to go and check that out. Where the hell is it coming from? This might have been what was reflecting that light. It says, if you find this card, please pay it forward to do something kind today. Well, it looks like there's some sort of drop-off down here. It goes down quite far. I mean, the last thing I want to do is stack it down a hill. There are a lot of noises in these woods, but at the same time, if I was in the woods on a normal night, I'd just think it's normal. It's only because I'm thinking I'm on a ghost hunt, so every little noise, I'm like, is that a ghost? But in all honesty, it's fine. It's frogs and pigeons. Pigeons! I love pigeons. The light on the top of my camera, I think it's going to die quite soon, so I'm only going to have my torch left. Right, I'm starting to get a little bit lost, not going to lie. But I think I'm going to head back towards the way that I came because I swear I keep seeing someone. Hold on. There's no one there, but I swear there was. I think I'm going to go this way, to be honest with you. What the hell? That is a person. I'm not even joking. What the I can't see anything. Oh, what was that? I've been sat here now for about 15 minutes in silence, and I've come to 2 rational conclusions as to what the hell just happened. Number 1, that was somebody playing a prank, a Halloween prank or whatever. And if that's the case, fair play, they got me good. Number 2 is the more likely option. I was seeing things, and if that's the case, you guys are probably laughing at me because you would be able to see on the camera clearer than I could. See, there's a light that sits on the top of my camera. It was shining in my eyes when I was using the camera. Even when I wasn't, I still couldn't see because my eyes hadn't adjusted. And basically, to me, everywhere I looked, it was like pitch black. I could just make out some things. So, there's got to be fireworks. I have tried to look on the screen on the camera at the footage, but this screen's so small and it's real dark and I can't see much on there either. One thing that you guys don't know is that before I had that hot chocolate, I might have had a large cup of Bailey.
Seria uma brincadeira de alguém ou uma simples pegadinha? É estranho que alguém fique imóvel daquela forma na escuridão ou que fique seguindo um desconhecido pela floresta e fazendo barulhos. Pessoas são e podem ser mais perigosas que qualquer outra coisa na floresta. Todo cuidado é pouco. O casal de youtubers do canal Jenks and Matilda vão para o Parque Nacional de Chi-Town. Só que o que eles não esperavam era que passariam por uma experiência assustadora e tenebrosa, pondo suas vidas em risco.
In the jungle.
Anyway, I'm gonna let you for the sit-on-ness just certain time. Otherwise, tiger come. That's not to stay in the one place. It's long. They smell us and then come.
They smell
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now you are right in the Chiton National Park.
Yeah.
Oh
Whoa.
my god. Everyone meet Ronaldo.
Come in. He's behind us.
Oh my god. We knew we needed to get as far into the bush as we could. And at this point, we had no idea where Dennis was. We had absolutely no idea who Ronaldo was. We sat in this bush for a total of 18 minutes. It's a wild elephant. The elephant was in complete stealth mode. Is it still there? Our guide explained how clever these animals are, and it was more than likely waiting for us to come out of that bush. With no clear view of the elephant and still not knowing where Dennis was, we needed a plan. We have to go low. Oh, okay. He's there. This has to be the most nerve-wracking 18 minutes of our whole life. After what felt like an eternity, our brave guide went to go see if it was all clear and if Ronaldo had finally left the jungle.
It's been head on with a wild elephant. I'm really scared. Why are you laughing?
No,
That's not funny.
It's dangerous. Very near the closest. Yeah.
Okay, so the elephant is now walking all the way down there. We did even get through the safety briefing before we was running. I cannot believe it.
We're now behind him, which is behind that one.
Who's hiding behind?
Elephants, wild ones. Unpredictable. Don't ask me why I'm still filming. We're with one of the guides. Oh, mate.
Oh. What has just happened? I'm shaking. I'm actually shaking. I can't feel. Where's Dennis?
Yeah, where's Dennis? Either tried to detour the elephant or he's abandoned ship. I don't know. Who knows?
Whoa!
There it is.
Tops, yeah?
Very big tusks.
Big tusks.
Jeez. You're not going to be able to see it, but it's right down there.
What are you laughing?
Dennis, what an entrance to the jungle.
O casal e seus guias encontram um elefante, conhecido como Ronaldo. Os elefantes são territorialistas e podem atacar caso estejam com filhotes ou se sintam ameaçados. Ronaldo não estava em um bom dia, pois ele partiu para cima, deixando todos em extremo desespero. Eles se esconderam em uma encosta e ficaram ali esperando até que o animal se afastasse. Porém, um dos guias fica perdido na confusão. A tensão é grande, mas no final, o elefante se afasta e eles podem seguir seu caminho. Depois do susto, eles seguem em uma exploração pela floresta, sem mais percalços. Animais são imprevisíveis e se não estiverem em um bom dia, é melhor não chegar muito perto. Se estiver gostando deste vídeo, curta e o compartilhe. E também se inscreva no canal, para nos ajudar a bater a meta de 10 mil inscritos até o Natal. Meu muito obrigado.
Hey. How you doing? You a neighbor down here? I said, are you a neighbor down here? Do you live up this road?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, we just looking for. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I own all through down here. I actually don't mind people crossing through here out of hunting season. It looks like you're probably doing some squirrel hunting.
Oh no, I didn't even know squirrel was in. Honestly.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Is it?
Yeah, it's in. It's in.
Oh.
But yeah, I do a lot. I basically bought this property to deer hunt, and it's first day of deer season.
Heck yeah, there's some
So I'm
big
down there
deer.
bow hunting. I heard the rifle go off down there a little ways. And I had a group of deer in here, and as soon as that gun went off, they were gone.
My bad, man. I didn't know.
Yeah. But yeah, I own from the pipeline all the way down to just about a little further past where you were as far as you can see.
You bought all Kevin's property.
Yeah, yeah,
Heck yeah. There's some big deer in here.
yep, yep.
Oh, my bad, man. I didn't know.
All right, yeah, I appreciate it. From now all the way through pretty much about the end of, what would it be, February, we'll be down here hunting pretty hard. That's when deer season pretty much goes out.
Okay.
Like I say, I know you guys walk along through the creek here, and I don't mind through the summer and stuff like that.
Right.
But yeah, during
If I
hunting,
had known deer season was in, I wouldn't even been walking through here.
yeah,
To be honest with you, man. That's my bad.
I appreciate that. Yeah, like I say, yeah, we'll be hunting pretty heavy through. That's the reason I bought this property, just for straight for deer hunting.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
there's some monsters in here, man.
Yep,
I've
yep.
been hunting one for about 3 years now. It's pretty big.
yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, if you want to just finish your way down through there, I imagine, and then, like I say, when you come back, if you don't mind just taking the road back. All right, man. I appreciate it. Take her easy.
Name's Jason, by the way.
Yeah, I'm Joe.
Nice meeting you, man.
All right, man. Have a good one. Well, definitely know what the gunshot was now. He, I believe, lives up the road. Try to be lenient with the kids, because I know what it's like. I was a teenager. I like to run around, be in the woods as well. But he's got to understand this is deer season now. That's why I bought this property. I drive down here 2 hours one way, 4-hour round trip. Don't get down here near as much as what I would like. So when I get down here, the last thing I want to see is people walking down through the property. So, I don't know if you hear the audio. I'm trying to work with the kid. I told him, the end of February or so, that's when deer season will pretty much be over. Through the summer, if they want to walk up and down that creek bed, that's fine. Don't have a problem with it. But when it comes hunting season, that's when it becomes a problem. So, the bad part is I thought the kid was squirrel hunting. He had a .22 rifle, and he didn't even know it was squirrel season. So I don't really know what he was shooting at. I told him to walk down the road on his way back through. So let's hope he listens to that. But
Joe do canal Hunt Your Way caça em sua propriedade, porém houve um tiro disparado na direção de um animal que ele estava caçando. Joe logo vai atrás do responsável. Um garoto estaria caçando em sua propriedade. Joe o adverte, pedindo para que saia, pois ele está caçando e ali seria um local privado. Uma pequena conversa que poderia virar discussão e terminar em uma tragédia. No meio da floresta densa, uma pessoa armada é o cenário em que ninguém quer estar. Joe fez certo ao solicitar que o rapaz saísse de sua propriedade. E assim chegamos ao fim desta jornada pelas florestas que, por mais belas que sejam, escondem perigos reais. Aqui não são apenas lendas ou fantasmas que assustam, mas riscos tangíveis, animais selvagens, terrenos traiçoeiros e até mesmo a imprevisibilidade humana. Você já se sentiu em perigo em uma floresta? Conte sua experiência nos comentários. A natureza não perdoa erros, e nem todos que se perdem nessas sombras voltam para contar sua história. E não se esqueça, nunca feche os olhos.